Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover inheritance. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of inheritance. I have created superclass, or parent class, or base class, called shape, with member variables as base and height, and member methods, called setBase, to setBase, and setHeight, to setHeight. Created subclass, or child class, or derived class, called triangle, which inherits or extends superclass shape. Created method called getArea, to get area of triangle. In the main method, I have created object for subclass triangle, called T. Setting base and height by accessing setBase and setHeight member method of superclass shape, and getting the area of triangle by using getArea member method of subclass triangle, and displaying the area of triangle. In the next program, I am going to cover instance of keyword. I have created object T for subclass triangle, object S for superclass shape. Subclass object is instance of superclass. Subclass object is instance of subclass. Superclass object is instance of superclass. But superclass object is not an instance of subclass. In the next program, I am going to cover upcasting and downcasting. I have created object T for subclass triangle, object S for superclass shape. We can assign subclass object to superclass object, which is called as upcasting. We can assign superclass object to subclass object with typecasting. If we don't use typecasting while assigning superclass object to subclass object, it results in compile time error. In the next program, I am going to cover super keyword. I have created member variable, base, and height in superclass shape. Same member variable, base, and height in subclass triangle. And accessing subclass member variables using variable names. And superclass member variables using super.variable names. In the next program, I am going to cover invoking superclass constructor from subclass. I have created member variable, base, and height in superclass shape, and constructor with two parameter to set base and height. Created subclass triangle with constructor, which calls superclass constructor using super keyword. In the next program, I am going to cover method overriding. I have created display method in superclass shape, which is getting overridden by display method of subclass triangle. Still, we can access overridden display method of superclass shape from subclass triangle using super keyword. In the next program, I am going to cover polymorphism. Even though I have created object for superclass shape by using instance of subclass triangle and superclass shape, when I call display method using object of superclass shape, respective display method is getting called. This behavior is referred as virtual method invocation. In the next program, I am going to cover final class inheritance. If we define the class as final, we will not be able to inherit subclass from final superclass. In the next program, I am going to cover abstract class. Abstract class must be subclassed, and subclass should implement all the abstract methods, or subclass must be abstract. And abstract class cannot be instantiated. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Java program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.